Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. Overall, to summarize today in and of itself, price action, a gap and trap would be the best way to summarize that if you've never heard that term before. All that means is that on Monday, the price closed right there. Today, Tuesday morning, the price actually gapped up right there and then ran all the way up there. Some poor souls bought at that area. And then from there, the price just went all the way back down. So again, just summarizing today's price action as of Tuesday, gap and trap. But to give some credit where credit's due, and this is what makes the chart really interesting now going into Wednesday, things got very nasty. However, the latter part of the day, the price showed some nice signs of strength, including the final 30 minutes, represented by that candle right there where the price, not huge volume, but volume peaked its head back up. And, the price reacted nicely with it. So is that the start of something bigger? We'll have to sit back and see how Wednesday plays out. But as far as levels of support are concerned going into Wednesday, key level and ideal level you want to see hold is that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average, right now valued right around $3.20. Now, going back to the whole point about the price showing some signs of strength, and, is this the start of something bigger? Well, the easiest way to answer that is, well, let's just see how the price reacts around levels of resistance. So let's map out a couple of these. Initial area of resistance going into Wednesday going to be right here at the $3.41 mark. If the price can get a good high volume break of that area, then after 341, next key level to watch up there right around the $3.65 mark. So those will be the next couple of hurdles going into Wednesday. But overall, yeah, today pretty rough. However, with the late day movement, so there's some momentum going into Wednesday. So let's see if the bulls can build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.